Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Portfolio Calculator and how it helps estimate dividend income, portfolio yield, and future dividend growth step by step. First, to use a Dividend Portfolio Calculator, you need to enter the basic inputs. These inputs usually include your total portfolio value, average dividend yield, annual dividend growth rate, reinvestment rate, time horizon in years, and any additional contribution amount. These values help the calculator estimate both your current dividend income and your possible future income. Next, the calculator estimates your current dividend income. The annual dividend income is calculated by multiplying the portfolio value by the dividend yield. For example, if your portfolio value is $50,000 and the average dividend yield is 4.2%, then your estimated annual dividend income is $2,100. After that, the calculator breaks the annual income into monthly income. To find monthly dividend income, the annual dividend income is divided by 12. So, in this example, $2,100 per year becomes about $175 per month. Then, it is important to understand dividend yield. Current yield shows how much dividend income your portfolio generates compared to its current value. On the other hand, yield on cost shows the future dividend income compared to your original investment. This helps investors understand whether their income efficiency is improving over time. In addition, the calculator can estimate future dividend growth. Future dividend income is usually projected by taking the current dividend income and growing it by the expected dividend growth rate over a selected number of years. This gives an estimated view of how dividend income may increase over time. For example, if the starting portfolio is $50,000, the dividend yield is 4.2%, the dividend growth rate is 6%, and the time horizon is 10 years, then the current annual income is $2,100, while the current monthly income is $175. As the dividends grow over time, the estimated annual income in year 10 may rise to around $3,761. At the same time, the estimated yield on cost may increase to about 7.52%, showing how dividend growth can improve long-term income potential. Furthermore, this calculator helps investors understand 4 important results. It shows income now, which means the current annual and monthly cash flow. It also shows portfolio yield, which explains how much income the portfolio generates today. Then, it shows income growth, which helps estimate how dividends may rise in the future. Finally, it shows long-term potential, which reflects the impact of growth, reinvestment, and consistency. However, investors should remember that a higher dividend yield can increase income, but it is also important to check dividend safety. A very high yield may sometimes indicate risk, so the quality of the company and the sustainability of the dividend should be reviewed. Moreover, dividend growth is very important for long-term income building. Even if the starting yield is moderate, consistent dividend growth can increase income significantly over time. Similarly, reinvesting dividends can accelerate compounding. When dividends are reinvested, they can buy more shares, and those extra shares can generate more dividends in the future. Finally, diversification helps reduce risk. Instead of depending on only one stock or one sector, a well-diversified dividend portfolio can create a more stable income stream. Overall, a dividend portfolio calculator is a useful tool for estimating present income, comparing yield, projecting future growth, and understanding long-term dividend potential. These calculations are simplified and used for educational purposes only, so actual investment results may vary. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.